Cordial greeting, my name is Margelis Mendez. Step 2. What do you know about this millionaire? Helon is a South African entrepreneur and investor and tycoon who also holds Canadian and US citizenship. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer of Space Angel Investor, CEO, and product architect of the Tesla and founder of the Boring Company. What do you think of the business and company? I believe that has been a very intelligent man who has known how to strategy manage his business, which has been of great importance because through his companies here generate many jobs, providing opportunity for many people of the labor field. What is the influence this character has on the world and society? The American billionaire is more influential than any young. Also is the fashion industry that could define the future of the global economy should have social networking, space travel, automobiles, driving, electric transportation, and intelligent artificial. What do you think of the use he made of the money? I believe it's put to good use by investing in the productivity and innovative that for the world satisfying people's needs. What would you do if you were a millionaire? It's a were a millionaire I would create companies foundation breeds a different time so generate shot and help many people change their quality of life. Thank you.